Hello.
Bye.
Where y'all at?
I am launching Spotify, so don't even. Cause we all know that GV's music is and you all can agree on me with that.
I'm
And
gonna
I
grab
know
a
you
time.
all can agree on me with that.
On what?
Chavez.
Wow,
That
fully not
GV
Roblox taking my sound away.
Chavez.
continue. A firewall is blocking my Spotify. What? I'm sorry, what? What firewall is blocking my Spotify? I don't see no firewall.
I'm waiting for you both.
Okay. Thank you. My authentication is complete. I wanna listen to my Spotify. Thank you, man. Thank you. Are you still recording? Lord mercy, help me!
Where are you at? Very helpful.
I died halfway of saying it. I died halfway of saying
Eh. Skill issue.
it. What? I'm alright. Y'all, I'm a muffin. Please leave me alone. I should not.
Also, someone in the oncoming lane has the limited BMW.
With the teenage dream.
Yep.
Kill it because someone sold mine. And we all
Well, I
know what
sold
happened in the
mine,
story.
so I was in a map. It was okay. I just didn't like the color options.
I'm hungry.
So my trailers.
I am doing the event.
You're only doing the event now.
Alright.
Yes, I haven't played Grimir in a while.
Damn.
Come on. Where is it? There we go.
Alex fell
Mostly I
off
am
hard.
on Fortnite.
Alex fell off hard.
Mostly I am on Fortnite.
I'm at Truck Planet. I'm fixing something with my settings.
Alright, I'm coming. I'm in a black Honda.
Black 40's in my way. Oh my days, hold on.
I honestly think if they made a supercharger variant of this Honda, it would be much faster.
I'm just play on my main screen, hold on.
I may or may not have just put myself back in a ditch I just got out of.
Where are you? This
Right
is
here.
you.
Oh, that was a good drift.
Oh my days, my game just froze. My game froze. My game froze.
I'm right behind you.
I know. My game froze again.
Eh.
Imagine you're listening to a song, and then in the middle of the song, there's just a lyric called, I just wanna die, die, die.
Sounds like your Roblox.
Why my body so small? Oh my days, turn off your lights. like that, Roblox. Be like that. I'ma call out your brother.
Like, not go. I was going 55 when that happened.
Parking spot. Parking spot. I told you not backing up to get parking spot perfectly.
Where are you guys? I finished
I am.
the event.
I think this is Alex's favorite restaurant.
I'm coming.
I'm at.
But
I'm at
which?
the. I'm at the Mexican rodeo.
Okay, well, neither.
Give me 9 hours.
See, I told you I knew this was Alex's favorite restaurant.
Yeah, I got myself
I
in a
am
parking spot.
speaking. Wait.
I bet you guys won't find me.
I already found you.
Yeah, that's my car.
Oops.
Is that Alex?
I just see an NPC standing in the middle of
I
the
am.
area.
I am near the what? The
Also,
Fox
I'm
Mountain.
pretty sure I can find AJ. Okay, that door doesn't work.
No. Where you at? My camera's going crazy. My free cam. Okay, I see you.
I am near.
Where'd RJ go?
Free cam time.
No free camming, no free camming. That's not allowed. You are the seeker. You should be normal. No free camming.
Well, no, I just want to see if you're not outside the building.
Oh, I'm not. How long does it take to check outside the building?
About an hour.
You're looking inside of the building. I know that. I know that look. Well, I know that sound.
No, trust me, it seriously does take forever.
Tell me when you're done looking.
That's the street.
I am looking for
You're
you.
at the street. Guys, I'm inside of the
In
building.
that house. Not in garbage bins.
I mean, are you calling me trash?
Not in the propane tank.
At this point, you're just roasting me. How do I get in that anyways?
Glitches? Also, I just found you.
I see you cheating, you're cheating, you're
No,
cheating, you're
I'm not in
cheating.
free cam. I wasn't in free cam. I was looking
Okay,
outside.
okay then go hide before Alex finds me.
Will do. How do I wait? How do I actually? No, that's how I sit down.
Alex is blind. His bald head is shining so much that he turned blind.
I can't.
He's so
Yo.
Wait,
blind.
wait. I have an idea.
Know what you're doing
Is it
tonight.
Saw you.
Oh, he
Saw
found me.
you.
this glitch works?
Bro, you were here.
I want. How do you get under there? That's
It's easy, just do that. Just walk in.
oh.
Just walk in. Tables
Oh,
do not
okay.
have
I didn't
collisions.
know the tables didn't have that.
These tables have that. Oh, every table doesn't have it. Stay up all night
Oh yeah, they all
till the
have
daylight.
that. Okay, good to know.
Ow, I tripped. Oh! Guys, do not come in the grocery store.
I'm already in I'm already in large camera, so or zoomed out.
Never mind.
Also, I
Good.
saw something
Thank you,
flying
Alex, for
like a
pushing me
fishy.
over. What?
I saw something flying. What does this
That
thing
was me.
do?
My head was inside. Who's Tesla? Get your knockoff Tesla out of here.
Can I spawn my Tesla?
Yes. Show him what's a real car. I mean, basically all my cars are fictional, so I can't speak.
Well, I only have one realistic car in my inventory. Well, no, two. Wait, hold up. One,
Saying,
two,
can you
three,
stay up
four.
all night
Out of like
till the
25.
daylight?
I also want to show
I'ma
my
buy an old
burnout.
roadster. All night.
Never mind, this thing can't do that.
Yeah, yeah. Guys, guess what? I'm gonna buy an old roadster. Like a
Hmm?
baby, uh.
Let me edit. Let me enlarge the video.
Tell me something I need to know. So take my breath and never
There we
let
go.
it go. To the use, don't let me invade your space.
That's good. You ready?
Huh?
I'm gonna go race a train.
Finally.
Or do you want to fling the butts? That's
Not the
I'm gonna just fling myself using a snow pile.
What was I buying again?
How am I supposed to know?
I literally, I
Huh?
literally told you, but then I forgot.
I just went through the bus upside down.
Why?
Let's just say I did ditches. Oh.
Trying to buy realistic cause of you. To believe that.
Another
Cause if you want to
Bro's mad
keep.
that
Are you
I'm in
still
an OG
recording?
Tesla. It
Are
still
you
might
still
be
recording?
faster though.
Are you still?
Oh yeah, I'm gapping the new Tesla.
But are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Oh my days, why didn't you tell me? I thought you stopped.
And I just got revenge. I put him in a ditch. Oh, he's stuck.
Ah! Karma.
Realistic Tesla revenge.
I wanna buy a realistic car.
Seriously? Not
But
someone
guess
being
what?
halfway in my lane and then me getting stuck in his wheel.
But guess what?
I need help.
I can't buy a realistic car because I'm too broke to afford one.
Not surprised. Yes, I'm
This
free!
is.
And then I put the other Tesla stuck on the board. How is that possible? Either that driver's an idiot or the Raptor's actually smarter.
Got to love. I'ma love you harder. I'ma love you harder.
Adios. I'm not even gonna help him. You're on your own, Tesla.
Wow. Leave the strangers to be. Wow. Classic.
He's lucky I
Love
don't
me,
have the
love me,
Roadster. He'll
love
be in
me.
Neptune by the time I'm done.
For real. Not,
Alright, I'm gonna see if he's finally free. If he is, that car is gonna be in Venus.
Figure it out. You gotta try.
I found him. Wait, no, that's a Mustang.
Figure it out. You
Hey, at least
got
he
to
got my son back.
If you
What
want
happens
to
if it's the
keep
pile?
me, you got to love me harder. And if you really need me,
I'm just doing donuts.
harder.
Alright, swap. What car should I
This game needs
buy?
to add more Mini Coopers. Greenville needs to add more Mini Coopers for real.
They do.
They only have 2 Mini Coopers.
One limited and one non-limited. Also, I just found the Tesla.
No, actually no. Actually no. There's one.
That's me.
There's 2 non-limiteds and
The
then
white
there's.
Tesla?
Oh,
Yeah. The
let's
React is
see.
serious.
Oh, I already flung it like twice. Wait, were you the one that tried hitting my red Tesla and ended up stuck in the front of a Raptor?
Yeah.
That was not a right move. But that was funny.
Guys, I bought myself a fast car.
I seriously think I have better traction in a 2008 SRT8 than a Tesla.
Guys, I got the best car. I got the base car.
You put both.
Better than all of you guys.
I just triple pit maneuvered the Tesla.
I have a car better than all of you guys.
I'm in my custom charger, so I should be fine for that. Me. No, I wanted to go in the other lane, not this lane. Watch the Tesla get dragged.
Crap!
I still have good brakes. And I can at least get myself out. Bitches. What's wrong with this thing feels like a slug.
You tell me.
Also, I'm gonna bet the Tesla's gonna hit a pole before it hits me. And
I
just
honestly
hit a
should have kept my
Volkswagen.
Model X. I honestly should have kept my Model X and my Model 3. Where you at?
Hitting Alex into a light pole.
Alex, you gonna let that slide?
I just deked him into a street light.
Wait, where though?
By next stop, I'm just cutting him off repeatedly. My car might be slow, but I have good traction.
Alex, you gonna take that? Oh my days, what was that?
What?
What was that scream that Alex just gave?
Yeah.
The
give me a
demon
second.
came out of Alex.
Bye.
Bro, the demon literally just came out of Alex.
AFK.
You will see.
Was that you? Who's this?
Right.
Who's this? Alex, are you in that black car?
Alright, I'm back.
No,
Is this
no.
you? Is this you
It's
guys?
not a mess.
Is this you guys?
What?
Is this you guys?
Alright.
Do you
Is
see
this-
a white Tesla in front
Yes,
of you?
yes, there's a white Tesla in front of me.
So
Get out of my
you
way.
found us.
I
You
have...
found
Get out of
us.
my way.
Hello.
Bye. You see guys, I have the best car, I have the best car.
Well, do you not see me just doing burnouts over here?
No, because I have the best car.
I think I just found the winner for the drifting.
Guys, I have a better car than all of you guys.
This is seriously the only thing this car can do on the snow.
Bro, my car can't even make it past a pickup truck's hood.
There you go.
What did I do to you? What did I do to you? Where'd Alex go,
okay? Also,
Where'd Alex?
I just dragged it. You got dragged by my dodge. That's
If your
not-
boy go crash into Alex.
That's what I'm doing. Me and Alex are at war with each other.
Exactly.
And yet I still have better traction.
I'm just chilling.
We're not cutting them off. There we go.
Yeah, I'm just chilling. Let's come off.
I'm already going off
Guys, don't-
40 yet. The Lexus is in a ditch.
Guys, don't come after me. I swear to God. I'm just chilling like
I'm
a
flying. He just hit a pole. And
I forgot I have a steering wheel.
I just dodged two
Hold on.
trees.
Alex has a steering wheel. That's bad for us.
Prepare.
Wait, no. It's not bad for us if we know how to if we know how to use keyboard.
Yeah.
And we do know how to use it.
And I just flipped him. You got out of the ditch and I put him back in one. Welcome. It's
Hello,
open.
bye.
I put him in the
Alex,
ditch.
what you
Oh, and
doing?
I'm out of. Oops.
Alex, what you doing?
Me and Alex are at war.
No, Alex is active. Alex is, oh no. You see, Alex, you bad luck. You made me lag. Hold on, let me turn down 3 days. Environment.
Here we go. I use the snow plow to stop my car. So watch this. Oh, I wanted to deke him into another street light. It's a snow plow.
I don't need a lot of tools. Guys, I'm stuck. Help. Never mind. Don't come help me. Oh. Well, the pole T-boned Alex for him. Wait, why are you guys coming from my Mr. Bean? Why are you guys coming from my Mini Cooper? My Mini Cooper. Don't come for my Mini Cooper. My Mini Cooper will come after you.
I just dragged out.
Good. Guys, I'm bored.
He's
Bored
coming
watching.
after your mini. And that's
Exactly, Alex. Don't crash to my Mini. My Mini is made. My Mini is built out of stone. My Mini is made out of stone.
Where did your
Can
mini
I please go clean the road now? Guys, my Mini is made out of stone.
And I am respawning cars. AJ, you wanna bet I can fling Pro Gamer to Mars?
Alex! Let me salt the dang road, dang.
Never. Okay, minus AB.
I have
AB
changed cars.
I'm gonna supercar. Yeah, he's already.
You guys are tasting me. You guys are tasting me.
I bet the BMW can't keep up with the Tesla.
You guys are tasting me.
Don't worry, I'm dead. I'm only gonna go after a Pro Gamer from now on. Wait, how did that? How? Wait, what the? He's gone.
Karma! Karma!
Hey, leave Karma. Leave my name out of this. Leave my name out of this. Yeah, Karma. Karma. You were saying?
Oh, he got lucky.
Why is Alex
I was ready
lagging?
to
Why is
kill him.
Alex lagging so? Well, there goes Alex.
And my Tesla.
At least I know he's gone.
I just looked behind me, I was striking Alex, and then I hit the Tesla.
You guys keep going flat. Where'd Alex go? Why is he all the way over there?
I flung him over the fence.
Alex, that's called karma.
That's twice I flung him.
Guys, let's go train spotting.
I'm down.
Actually, no what? Follow me if you want to go train spotting.
Wait for me, wait for me.
Hurry up!
Mine
I know where
was
to go
made
train
out of
spotting.
paper. You know
Alex,
there's a fence over here,
hurry!
right?
Alex!
I'm going.
Wait, I'm here.
Turn left.
Also, there's a Lamborghini on
Where
the
are you
right side of the
going?
road.
Where you going? I said left.
Oh. I'm gonna just go off road.
Alex, where you at? Don't go straight, and you just go. No way, Alex. Wait, what car is Alex in?
These are his BMWs.
Oh.
The black BMW.
Yeah, try and catch me.
I'm already going about 170. And
Alex ain't gonna catch me.
I just crashed into 2 houses.
Alex, you never gonna catch me.
Also, I just found you 2.
No.
Bro!
I already pitted him.
Well, guys, I hear a train. I hear a train. Never mind. Alex, you're paying for that. This car is more expensive than yours.
I can actually hear the motor on this car, my man.
I mean, I can't on mine because mine's electric.
Like, before I can hear the motor, I just flung myself into the ditch.
And I am on, the criminal really need to fence this area.
Where y'all at? I don't see you.
I'm at the railroad where I'm in the neighborhood.
Okay, wait.
Where?
The railroad in the neighborhood. In Virgo Dog's neighborhood.
You're all the way over there.
Yeah, where are you
I
at?
see a white Baja.
Not me.
Permission to cut it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Never mind, I have.
Oh, never mind. You guys
That's
are
me! That's me! What?
It's karma.
At least I can drift
It's
over
karma.
here. I have a little bit more speed. While Alex has less maneuverability.
Hey, my car's more expensive than yours.
Mine's 100 and... I want to say it was 144k on sale.
Alex, you're still paying for my car.
It's for
Nope.
132,000, but I'm not selling it.
Okay, then try and catch me.
Will do. Okay, that did not help that I was not in my car.
Nope, don't catch me. The train's right here.
Too late, I'm already catching you. Also,
Yeah, that's why I
just-
said don't catch me.
Drive!
I just pitted Alex.
Who's this in front of? What? The train! You made me miss it! You made me miss it! You sent me to Jesus! You sent me to Jesus! You almost made me
I'm
miss
right
the train!
into the train.
All I saw was a little
Guys, RJ sent me to
I'm
Jesus.
right into the train.
RJ sent me to Jesus.
I sent them there.
What the heck's that noise?
He got flipped over by the train. But that was funny.
Nishami joined.
I hit you at my
Nishami
top.
joined.
That was my top speed that I hit you at.
Did anyone know Nishami joined?
Nope.
Who flung me? Who flung me? Who flung me? Who? Who flung me?
And that was me.
Did you get flung?
No, I hit it first and I hit you.
Alex, guys, watch it. Where did you get that off?
Can't really pit a Tesla.
Guys, spawn a school bus! 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 Where's the job? 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 Where's the job?
Got it.
I got it too.
No, where's my Tesla?
On my days.
No.
Alex, you're an idiot. Guys, my school bus, there was a school bus accident.
I still
That's
think
amazing.
that's funny. I sent you on.
To Jesus. That was exactly how I sent that guy to Jesus. I don't know where, in his
the
red
Charizard,
car.
the orange one. Should I do it to Alex?
Yes. Sent Alex to Jesus. You missed.
really stop ring.
With Alex.
Remember he was inside the train, and then I think I hit him or the train.
No, you didn't hit me.
Well, I did.
Oh,
Bye.
Horton.
Alright, I'm doing a UE.
Not on the railway, please.
No, we go down. Never mind. Train. Oh, now he's good.
Hold
I
on.
plugged him.
Really, please stop.
Why did you ruin it? I was gonna crash into the train. Now it's gonna disappear,
I
yay.
was trying to dodge you.
James Bond type style. Guys,
I'm doing
hit
a
the like
power
and
slide.
subscribe button. Hit the like and subscribe button before I get run over by a train. Nope. Nope, I'm still here. I'm still standing. Guys, hit the like and subscribe. I can make it before the train.
There's a tunnel.
Hold on, hold on. I'm gonna cut up before the train. What happened? What did you?
I got wedged in between the train and the tunnel, and I'm still drivable. I'm two wheels now. I can still drive.
Karma.
Gotta go to Mars again.
Am I the fastest one here out of all of us?
I think so because I go 170 top.
Oh, I got 215.
Also, you wanna
Why do I hear another train? Why do I hear another train? Why do I hear another train?
AJ, you wanna help me flee the Baja?
Okay, lag here. Why did I hear another train, by the way? Is there a train behind us?
No, it was going through the tunnel.
See, guys, hey, yo. Who the? Karma.
Damn.
Yo, guys, yo. Can someone drive me, please? Can someone drive my car?
No.
Please? I wanna sit on here.
You can do that
I
on
wanna sit on the
tracks.
sofa. I wanna sit on the sofa.
You know, so going back to
I'm
the
going
train
to
spot.
drive. I'm going to drive straight into the train.
Can someone tell Nishami to shoot?
I will alert you if a train's coming.
I'm
Alright.
speeding, so.
Or you see my body just going to Neptune. Or going Neptune.
Guys, I crashed into a bar and my wheel just got
Dude, I
split.
just gained $123.
You know mine.
Like exactly. Also, how much money have I made in this video? If I go and block it.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. Oop.
Ah!
I have a
Okay,
2
edit
hour
that
limit,
part out.
okay?
Edit that part out.
Edit one part out.
Where I keep asking, are you still?
Train.
Train.
I'm coming. I'm speeding down the track, y'all. I'm speeding down the track.
I just wiped out.
Wait,
I'm
if you're on the
stuck.
track,
Train,
please get off the track.
continue
If
to
you're on the
push
track.
me. I'm stuck.
Guys, warning, get off the track. Stop speeding.
I'm stuck partially on the tracks and then the train just nudged me off and I'm in a ditch.
But whatever you do, please get off the track.
I'm off the tracks.
I am in the track.
Okay, I'm ready.
The hell? The hell's that noise?
That was Alex getting ran over by a train.
Oh, I didn't even get fling. I just got sent backwards. But
Yeah, it doesn't fling you. Also, I'm too much for the train.
guys, I'm gonna stop in front of the train. Hold on, I'm gonna stop in front of the train. I love how we just get flinged by the train. I'm holding in my parking brake.
I hit one and then the other just hit it. I think that was Roblox pinball physics. I'm gonna fling someone into the tree.
Oh, that was Alex.
Oh, I thought it was a good.
This train is going 50 miles per hour.
Roblox videos.
Oh, can you not? My car. I was trying to make my car. I was trying to make the train ram into my car the whole time because I ran out of battery. Don't drink and drive.
I'm flying down the train tracks.
Don't fly and drive, please. Honestly, my favorite train out of this is the steam.
Yeah,
So
the steam
take
engine's
my
definitely
breath
the
and
best, in my opinion.
take it with a bang. You used to
Alright, I'm
leave
coming back
me,
at the train.
invade your space.
So, whoever's on the tracks, prepare to get flown.
I'm on the track. Remember, I'm out of battery pa- Don't get on the track. Do not get on. I'm in. Oh, this train going to hell now.
Ready?
I
I wish we were,
didn't want to get sent through the ground now.
I wish we were able to send the
Where did you
train
go?
to
Where did you go?
to Mars. I'm gonna.
Oh, I thought you went. I thought you got sent through the ground for a second.
Nope.
Alex,
It's not
that's
the
a bad
cube.
idea.
I don't get sent through the map. But I got to double click on ice. No Tesla gun.
I wanna scream from the
That's a
chandelier.
I like how in this video we're all just chasing the train, flinging each other. Anywho, that's all for this stream. I'll see you next time for part 2.
Alex.